Hello everyone, welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today I am going to show you how to draw a bicycle step by step. Let's get started. First we will start by drawing two circles for the wheels. Make sure they are about the same size and spaced evenly apart. These will be the base of our bicycle. Next draw two lines connecting the center of the wheels. This will be the frame of the bicycle. Now draw a diagonal line from the center of the front wheel up and slightly back. Connect this line to the rear wheel with another diagonal line forming a triangle shape. From the top of the front wheel, draw a vertical line upwards and add a horizontal line at the top to create the handlebars. Just above the rear wheel, draw a small horizontal line for the seat. Connect it to the frame with a short vertical line. Draw a small circle at the center of the frame triangle. From this circle, draw two short lines extending outwards to form the pedals. Now let's draw some details to the wheels. Draw smaller circles inside the wheels to represent the hubs and the lines radiating from the hubs to the rims to create the spokes. Finally, add any extra detail you would like, such as a train, gear, or any decoration on the frame. And there you have it, a simple bicycle drawing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching.